Alright, what did you work on today, buddy?
I barely did anything, but I hope that's okay. I named my project, don't mind the name. And I made 3 different sprites. And I started coding this sprite, this water droplet sprite. But if I take away that hide, you could actually see how Wonder World is the water droplet. But anyway, it's okay. You could see how the water droplet looks over here, there, if you wanted to see how it looks. This is how it looks. I made a shining spot, and I put a shining spot in the shining spot.
Alright, good job today, buddy.